Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on Matt's World DIY, I want to show you 3 easy upgrades that you can do to your Mazda that will not break the bank. Let's get to it. My Carbon Edition CX-30 has matching car handles that match the color of the body of the vehicle. That's all nice, but I want to add a little upgrade to it by adding these black covers to the handles. That way it'll pull in the colors of the rims that I have, also the rear view mirrors, and then the air grille as well. Everything that I received came from Amazon, and it came very well packaged. These came in one single box, each individually wrapped in their own single plastic envelope, and none of them were damaged, all in perfect condition. The first thing you have to do is just make sure that you have everything nice and clean. I'm just wiping it clean with a microfiber rag. The beauty of this is that there is no adhesive that goes in here. It's just a snap-on type of an operation. So let's start with the front one. Just set it, click it in place, and it's in. Looks great. It holds in there without any adhesive. Very nice. Do keep in mind that there are 2 different handles, ones that go in the front and the others go in the back. The ones in the front have this little indentation for your the sensor on your front door handles, so you want to make sure that you have them properly aligned. The next 2 upgrades I'm going to do go into the interior of the car, so let's go in. The first of these 2 upgrades for the interior of the car is a center armrest pad. I thought that this was an unusual shaped box for a armrest, but I realized that the armrest pad was rolled up and vacuum sealed. No worries, perfect condition. I got this pad off of Amazon. I got all of these items off of Amazon. You can check the links below in the description and check those out if you'd like. Now, this pad is going to make the surface of my armrest much more soft, and it's actually going to raise it up a little bit more too in the meantime, so keep that in mind. And I think the installation is super easy. So let's see what we're supposed to do here. The way the armrest will fit on here is it's just going to sit right on top, and that's it. That's pretty cool. But it has these little straps on the bottom that will go under the original cover itself. So let's pull this back and open, pull it around the bottom, pull it around the front part, pull it under. I like it. I like it so much. It's so much softer and so much more comfortable for my elbow. And I like that it's raised up a little bit more too. And I can still get into my compartment here easily. Boom, just like that. Perfect. The final improvement I'm making in my Mazda CX-30 is the installation of this navigation card. Something a little bit technical, but it shouldn't be very difficult at all. And that will actually enable me to have navigation in this vehicle without having to go through Mazda and paying several $100s for it. So let's get to that right now. It's so super simple. We go through the center console. The SD card came perfectly packaged, one envelope inside of another. And inside of the interior envelope, the SD card was in its protective case, perfect condition, ready to go. Inside the console, you'll have a little door compartment that you can just pull open, and then this SD card just goes straight in there. My understanding is that you should do this installation with the vehicle turned off, and then you can start it up after you have the SD card inside. So just hit the home button, go down to navigation, enter, and your map should come up. So those are 3 super easy upgrades that you can make on your Mazda in a very short amount of time. Remember, all of the links are in the description below on any of these items that you saw today. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY projects I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.